Welcome to Dashcam Drama, the front line of chaos on the open road. From brutal crashes to impossible escapes, these moments blur the line between control and catastrophe. So strap in, keep your eyes wide, because once the road erupts, there's no turning back. This situation is very dangerous. There are many reasons that lead to accidents like the above. Hope everyone is safe. The driver was driving at high speed and the rain made the road slippery, causing him to lose control of the steering wheel. I hope he wasn't seriously injured. Wow, this is terrible. People don't understand what is happening. Hope everyone on the road is safe.
Oh no!
There is a bit of expression in this situation. The ending makes the viewer not sympathize with him either.
Hey! He just fucking hammered a car! No!
Situations like the one in the clip above are quite common on the road. Everyone should check their vehicle before participating in traffic. From the dashcam, we see that just a little carelessness on the road can lead to unfortunate consequences. Hope everyone is safe. From the clip above, we see that this situation happens very often, right? All drivers on the road must pay close attention.
Oh, shit.
Let's go slowly and observe carefully. Don't let an unfortunate accident happen, like the clip above. It was a terrible scene. One car suddenly crossed the road, the other was going very fast. Luckily, no one was injured. Oh, what a lack of observation. Look, the lucky pedestrian. According to the dashcam, the container truck carrying the car was traveling on the road when it suddenly got a flat tire. Luckily, there were no casualties. The driver fell asleep and swerved. Luckily, no one was killed. Please stay focused on driving. Wow, possibly due to speeding and not being able to control the speed, leading to a series of accidents. Hope everyone is safe. According to the camera, the car driver was not focused and was sleepy, leading to the unfortunate accident. We hope the driver is safe. Driving in the rain and slippery roads is very dangerous. When it rains, everyone should focus on driving slowly and controlling the steering wheel well. A rather unfortunate accident. From the camera, it can be seen that the truck did not keep a safe distance for itself. Overtaking without looking ahead and the ending satisfied the audience. Pay attention to safety before overtaking everyone. High limited visibility is dangerous. Lucky you this time. It's raining and the road is slippery. If the driver goes the wrong way, no one can avoid it. Hopefully no one will be injured. It was dangerous, 2 cars head-on. Hopefully no one was seriously injured. It was also because of the rain that the road was slippery and the container truck was carrying a lot of goods. I hope he is safe. The container was running at high speed, and he could not control the steering wheel, causing an unfortunate accident. You've just witnessed the raw clash of fate and fury, a brutal reminder that every split second behind the wheel can change everything. Stay alert, stay alive, because awareness is the only armor that never fails. Like, share, and subscribe as we dive deeper into the untamed chaos roaring down the world's wildest roads.